So making away, probably telling her dad, I'm watching now some MMA, so that's going to be fun. Be nice to have Sachin sir also come one day, and Zenia Bhosle as well. So we got a big star-studded lineup outside as well, sir.
Yeah, we got a great fan following with MFN, and that's what we're trying to do here. Everybody get hooked onto MMA. Here we go, round one.
पहले 30 seconds, Jojo always बहुत प्रहार करती है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा sizing up each other.
Whoever lands the first shot, shot.
Jojo is charging.
But Ishita holding ground.
Like they say, Salil, it's in the eyes. Watch.
Jojo lands hard shots.
Jojo's already
You can
shaken
hear it
up
all the
Ishika.
way here at the commentary box.
It was a
Dynamite punches
hard
there,
shot.
dynamite.
And like I said, Salil, experience is what Ishika has. But she needs to be smart about this. She can't take these shots too long.
Jojo is feeling really confident right now. Jojo के नाम के नारे लग रहे हैं केज के बाहर.
और इशिका अपनी थोड़ी breath को control कर रही है. And once again, she's coming in strong. Jojo, Ishika trying to
is
catch.
clinching up. But it does not work for
Jojo
her.
once
Jojo
again.
slams her on the ground. We saw that in her keys to victory, that she loves doing the slam. Now let's see what happens on the
First 1
ground.
minute has been
I'm
dominated.
excited. I'm excited to see what Ishika does from her back. She's already got a half guard on. Okay, it's full mount for Jojo. Bad position for Ishika if she doesn't turn this on.
Jojo needs to patiently hold on to this position before she tries anything. And then if she starts unleashing hell, if she starts throwing punches and elbows, this could be it.
What I'm seeing from Jojo is a lot of composure from her last fight. In her last fight, she was very, very aggressive, probably when she was new, trying to prove a point.
Also
Here-
against a superior opponent, as what everybody thought.
And look at her, she's already improved so much. She's come to a position where she's fighting like a pro, like they say.
If she manages to land a few punches right now,
And
it could
she's
be
gone
over
for an
out.
armbar.
Got an armbar.
And
It might
she
be
has
tight.
it. She has
might
it.
be tight.
And she's tapping.
She taps out.
Ishika taps in the first round. We still had 3 minutes to go on the clock.
I told you guys, Jojo's coming all guns blazing. And what a win for Jojo.
But good
That-
camaraderie there. Good camaraderie there. Jojo doing what everybody expected her to do. But Ishika, no love lost over there. She tried her level best.
Like I said, these girls coming up to this stage is an honor in itself for our promotion. And what Jojo has done here, secured an armbar. What a victory for Jojo.
What a fight, what a fight. Probably the fastest finish so far in MFN 7. Last time, Alan sir, when I saw Jojo's fight, I said one thing at the end of her fight, that a new superstar has been born today.
Guys, I called it. I said